Hey everyone, welcome to Dancing with Dina. Today I'm going to teach you My Money to the song For My Money. And today I have a special guest, Chris, is going to teach it and dance it with me. But before we get started, hit that like, share, leave us any comments below, and hit that subscribe button. $10 drinks and threes, and she's falling. Let's go ahead and get started. You're going to start with your weight on your left. You're going to rock right, recover left, turn a quarter. You're going to drag that left behind the right, behind, side, rock, recover. So Chris and I are going to turn to the side so you can see our feet better, but that is the correct wall. And we're going to do it by the count this time. Weight on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Drag 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She only loves me for my money. Your weight is on your right because you did that rock recover from the last section. So you're going to step left to the side, hold, ball step, touch with a rolling vine. So you're going to go a quarter to your right, half, quarter, touch. Let me show you without the rolling vine, because if you're not ready to roll, we're always ready to roll, but just in case, you want to do just a grapevine in that place. So weight on your right. Here's what it'll look like. Side, hold, ball side, touch, grape, vine, right, touch. So now we're going to show you from the back so you can see our feet by the count. So again, this is not the correct wall. You did that rock recover. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I ain't got none, honey, but I just take to see. So your weight is on your right because you finished out that grapevine, whether you did a rolling vine or not. And then you touched with your left. So now you're going to step a left with your left at a quarter. Sweep with your right, take the weight right. Sweep with your left, don't take the weight because you're going to cross over. Side, behind, point. Let's do that by the count. Weight is on your right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if I fake it till I make it, if I keep her long enough, maybe. All right, next section, weight is on your left. You're pointed out with your right. You're going to cross your right over your left, and you're going to dip down, stand up, take the weight left. Again, cross right over left, dip down, stand up, take the weight left, add a quarter. Then you're going to step out a diagonal right, drag left, diagonal left, drag right, end of dance. Let's do that by the count. Weight is on your left, pointed out right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, drag 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Time to talk about that restart. I know you thought we didn't have any, but that's okay. It's an easy one. It's the second time that you make it to that wall, which is wall 6. You're going to do the first 12 counts, which brings you back to the front wall, and you're going to restart the dance. So pretend we are on wall 6. Weight is on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, drag 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold, 2, and restart. 1, 2, 3, drag 4. Thanks for watching. See you next dance.